welcome back to another series of apartment hunting. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In the previous video, I did mention that the company where I work at is looking to move into a new space. So we got a call from the agent to come check out this apartment. It's located at Jabi. Guys, this apartment is really nice. As soon as I got in, I was like, wow, this space is really lovely. So let you guys see for yourself. I recorded every part of it. This is the house we are eventually going for, guys. So this is the kitchen. Still has to walk to be here, and then all the rooms are upstairs. There's an open space here, and then this is one of the rooms. The rooms have their own wardrobe. This is the bathroom. This is the second room. Guys, look at this view. It is so nice. And then we have this particular room is the same as the other one. This is the second floor, and it's giving master's bedroom feeling because it has a bathtub, and the bathroom is really big, guys. And then it has a walk-in closet. Like, look at all this wardrobe space. If this was my room, guys, the content I would be filming here. Like, just look at this wardrobe space. It's so nice. And then the other room, this apartment has 4 rooms in total. So this other room also has a wardrobe. Yeah, so that's something up for this house. It does have like a storage room here, so we have like a storage space. But the apartment is really big and it's really nice. That's the second floor. So, what do you guys think?
You do cannonball.
After a month of house hunting, guess what, guys? I won't be moving from my current space. So in my previous video, I mentioned that I was moving because of the distance from work to my house. But thankfully now, the company is moving a bit closer to my location, so there's no need for me to move. And my space is actually bigger than most of the spaces I've been seeing. So in this video, you can see my bed frame. I saw this bed frame on Pinterest, and I gave it to my carpenter to recreate something similar. He did get a lot of parts wrong, but he actually got it right because I asked for wardrobes by the side and I wanted like something really different, but this was not the specific color I asked for. That was where we had issues because this was not the bed I asked for. This was not the color of wood I showed to him. He said he couldn't find that wood, so he went with this one because it was slightly similar, but to me this was just really off. Anyways, guys, you guys can see and let me know what you think about this bed frame. As for my wardrobe came with my previous bed, so it was like black and the color was off from the other bed frame. So I'm thinking I'm going to get like a wallpaper and cover that up or spray it. I'm not sure yet, but you guys can see and let me know what you think. So this is the bed. I'm thinking of moving that to this other side. I'm not even sure I should place some of these things. I asked for a white wall hanger because I saw it also on Pinterest. I was going with like a Pinterest themed like aesthetics. I don't really know how to explain it, guys, but there were a lot of things I wanted to like change, like kind of revamp my apartment. but he made it brown instead. He said he thought I wanted it to match with my bed frame. I gave you white. Why would you make it brown? You guys, like carpenters, artisans, I don't know the names we're calling them now. Why is it so hard to get something straight? Anyways, I think I'm slowly liking it. I don't know, but it's really off. Like, this is not even the shade of brown I wanted. This shade is so, like, it's so off. Well, the bed frame came with these drawers. I told him to put in this side drawer so I can use it as storage space, which thank God he did. But the color is really off. This color inside is actually what I wanted outside. Like, can you imagine? And this is even a different color. Like, oh God, Abuja carpenters would do the most. And I don't even like how the head of the bed looks. It's just really off. Like, oh, I feel like I'm complaining too much, guys. But, and now for the sides too. This is what he brought. It's meant to be two. And he's saying that I paid for one. So he brought just one. I actually have one from my old bed frame, the black one over there. So I guess I'll just use wallpaper to change it. I think that's all I can do now. Use wallpaper to change like the outer look of the bed. This is going to be my vanity stand. I'm getting curtains because right now I'm using this blind, so I'm going to get curtains to use for it. And see, there's actually a very good amount of light coming inside from this direction. That's why I decided to shift my bed from the wall to this other direction, and that mirror is going to be there where it is. Find a way to stick it to the wall. So this is the plant I got. I received it yesterday, but I'm going to open it now. I was too tired to like open it yesterday. So guys, some of my items arrived and I just waited for everything to come together so I can do an unboxing vlog. So I did get a new blender. I have a juicer, but it spoiled a couple of weeks back, so I got a blender instead because I feel like juicers are scam. It was really working for everything, so I prefer a blender. And yay! Your girl got her BBL mannequin. I was so excited to get this because I've been trying to get it for months now. Saved up seriously to get this. And the last time I went to buy it, they said it was sold out. So this time around, I was able to get it. And it is quite pricey. So anyways, now I have something to display my clothes. So if you're not following my business page, go check out my business page. I sell clothes and beauty as well as beauty supply items. So you can go check out my business page on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you guys. So I'm going to unbox this BBL mannequin. I got it from the wholesale mannequin on IG. I'll do that later. And also my vase, my flower vase arrived. Guys, I'm tired already. But yeah, I have to unbox this. I also have to unbox it, and I have just 2 days before the sales that I'm doing on Instagram to post pictures of the available items. So let's get into that. Yes. So silver first. Let's open it. Next, I want to do is So I'm done unboxing my vase and this is what it looks like. I'm glad I actually chose this type because it's not very common. I'm always seeing the oval shape. I don't even know if that's right. But yeah, what do you guys think? So this is the mannequin. And she's a baddie. Ooh, she a baddie. She knows she a 10. Guys, look at that shape. That isn't even my real shape. Like, I don't have the shape in real life. Don't worry, guys. But yeah, that is what was inside. It also has this. I think this is just for the top of the head. Okay, not bad. Like, I don't really see what makes this mannequin as pricey as it is. I mean, I get the glitz and the glam, but all I have to do now is place it on here. I feel like there's still something I have to screw, but I'll figure that out later. Morning, guys. I'm about to head out to Panteka. I have some things I want to buy. I want to go get my lights for my apartment. Everywhere is still a big mess, so I have to get that. The electrician is coming and hopefully the AC guy is coming today as well. So so I want to get these transport lights, and this one is the POP lights that I want to get as well. I'm trying to decide between which ones to get. I've already gotten normal bulbs, but like my content creating and other stuff, that's why I want to get this one. This one is 20 watts. So you guys, I'm already tired. I don't know when we go to the market. But yeah, this one gets it. What about the whites? See the whites here. This 30 watts, you don't have it in black.
In black?
This one that changes color.
I have one, but the design of that one is different.
Let me collect this one and come back. That breakaway return that.
See the first color of this one. Then this is the second color.
Okay.
Then this is the last color of it.
The one in the middle is lower. Have you noticed that? I'm having a hard time with this one. So this is like the bulbs that are inside. Is this the color I'll be getting?
No, any color you want. Just
so it doesn't come with the bulb that is inside?
So yeah, they are now white. This is the first color. 200, yeah, they are now. Go on now.
Come this way.
Yeah, this is.
The color has even changed on the
You don't
inside.
change. You don't.
This one fine person.
That's not bad. This is nice. This is nice. Means I'll be needing 4 yards. What about this other thick white? That one is how much a yard? The thick white, yes. Let's have the breakdown. This is nice. This one is nice.
This should be the one inside.
What for you? Thank you. Only got it 20. But moving, it's progress. It's Yeah, I just said it.
And now let's put them together.
Yes. It looks like you have camera in your house. It's so fine. I know, right? It's so the new prices of ACs are scary. Buying new fridge, new AC, like guys, if you're moving out, just stay in your parents' house. I actually have a small fridge at home, and I'm thinking of getting a deep freezer. But like the price is insane. Look how small this is, and it's like 310K. That's so pricey. This is even bigger, but this is the Nexus, and it's 385. It's not so bad. I actually have a fan already, so thank God for that. Let's actually look at AC because my current AC is bad. I need to get a new one. Guys, this price is that I'm seeing here. I don't even want to start checking. Like, look at the first one. This is Panasonic, a Chinese AC. Oh, it's a Chinese company. 480. Like, is there nothing within my budget? The price of the AC is ridiculous. Like, 1 horsepower, 388. It's so pricey. Everything is just really pricey. I don't like this. So a few days later, I finally called the painter and he came around to paint. I was going to go with like off-white, but then I realized that the wall behind me is white, so that would just look off, and I decided to go with a satin white paint. And we also realized that some parts of my wall was actually cracking, so we had to screed it, and the whole thing was just very messy. But anyways, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I'll probably post a room transformation video later on. You guys should let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching. If you've gotten to this part, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notification, and see you in my next vlog where I'll do a complete transformation. Bye.